Welcome to online class, my dear students. I'm Asma Husna, an assistant teacher, Police Lines School and College, Rangpur. Today our learning outcomes. Students of class 5, I will discuss Unit 20, Lesson 1 to 6. Look at the pictures. What can you see? There is a script of Braille. Okay, actually, this script is used, this Braille is used by the blind people for reading and writing. Look, the letters are made with raised dots. Blind people move their fingers and they feel and they can read and write through this Braille. Before going to the text, you have to understand some important word meanings. Then you can enjoy the lesson. So first one, impaired, having a disability of a specified kind. Okay, disability means অক্ষমতা or damaged. Impaired means damaged, you can say. Braille, I have shown you the picture, a form of written language. It's a written language for blind people, especially for the blind people that are filled with the fingertips. The blind people feel with their fingertips. They move their fingers across the raised dots. Visually impaired, partially or completely blind. Those who are visually impaired, we can say them blind people. Script, a written text of something. Information, facts provided or learned about something or someone. Amazing, very attractive. Amazing means very attractive. Learner, someone who is learning. Raised, raised means uchu, higher surface than surroundings area. So students, we are learning the lesson about a blind pupil, blind girl. So look, the lesson's name is Life is Beautiful. It, it's a beautiful spring day. So it is spring season and the day is very beautiful. Maria gets up early. She feels happy. Maria gets up early means Maria তাড়াতাড়ি জেগে উঠেছে and she is feeling happy. She knows that it's a nice day because she puts her hand on the glass of the window. She puts her hand on the glass of the window and it is very warm. Okay, students, after winter, spring comes. And winter is very cold, and spring is neither hot nor cold. So Maria is enjoying the season and she is feeling happy because the day is warm. There is no cold. She opens the window and the singing of the birds fill the room. She opens the window. So, in spring season birds sing. So she opens the window and singing of the birds fill her room. She can smell the flowers outside her window. Look at the picture. There are some flowers also. In spring season flowers bloom. They smell sweet and fresh. The flowers are very sweet and fresh. After Maria gets dressed and has her breakfast, she puts her books in her bag and she is ready for school. What you do when you wake up from your bed? You get ready for school and Maria is also getting ready for her school. So Maria is a student. Maria is not like any other students. So Maria is not like you in her neighborhood. She is not like other students in her neighborhood. Neighborhood means প্রতিবেশী এলাকা. She goes to school and likes to be with her friends. She goes to school and she enjoys to be with her friends. But Maria can't see the beautiful spring day. Maria can't see. She can't see the flowers, the blue sky, or the singing birds. She cannot enjoy them. Why? She can't see the new green leaves on the trees. She can't see this because she is visually impaired. Actually, Maria is a blind girl, so she can't see anything. But students, you remember one point, she can feel because she can hear, she can smell. Okay, she can feel everything. So Maria this because she is visually impaired. She has been unable to see. Unable means অক্ষম since she was born. When she was born, she was a blind girl. Okay, so as a baby, as a newborn child, Maria was blind. She, so we can say that by birth, Maria is a blind girl. But Maria is happy. Maria is happy. Why? She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. She can learn the information. Information means তথ্য because she reads Braille. I have shown you the picture that the blind people can read and write through the Braille. So Maria is also doing this. Braille is a script that uses raised dots. Braille is a script that uses raised dots. So each letter is made from dots. People move their fingers across the raised dots to read. Maria learned to read Braille as a young child. So Maria used to read Braille. Her books at school are in Braille. So her books are also in Braille. Your book is different from Maria. She enjoys reading poems and history. She also read poems and history and she enjoys them. Maria's teacher says that she is a good learner. Look, in the picture, Maria is reading. So she is a very good learner. It is her teacher saying, so it is true. Maria hopes to go to university one day. Okay, Maria, after completing her education in school or college level, she wants to go to university. So she wants to get higher education. Her teacher think that she can. She has this ability. Look, student, she has this ability. তার সে ক্ষমতা আছে, সে পারবে ইউনিভার্সিটি পড়তে because Maria is a good learner. Maria wants to set up a school of her own. Then, after finishing university, she wants to set up a school that she can teach visually impaired people. She wants to teach the visually impaired children. It's a nice aim. Before this, Maria wants to be a writer. Before setting up the school, she wants to be a writer. She wants to be a writer first. She wants to write a book about her own feeling and experience. So before setting up a school, she wants to be a writer because she wants to write the book about her feelings and experience. She wants to show other impaired people that they can do amazing things. She wants to show other impaired people that they can do amazing things in their lives. So Maria wants to be an example of the visually impaired people that they can do amazing things. We hope that she can do so. Some important question from this text. What is Braille? Braille is a kind of script that used raised dots. The blind people move their fingers across the dots to read and write. Why is Maria happy? Maria is happy because it's a nice spring day. She can hear the singing of the birds. She can smell the flowers. What does she use to read poems and history? She uses Braille to read poems and history. When did Maria become blind? Did. So Maria became blind when she was born. What is Maria's hope? Maria hopes to go to university one day. Or you can say Maria's hope is that she wants to go to university. How is Maria different from others? Maria is different from others because she is blind. How can't she see the beautiful spring day? Why can't she see the beautiful spring day? She can't see the beautiful spring day because she is blind. How does Maria know that it's a beautiful spring day? Maria can hear the singing of the birds. Maria can feel the warmth. Maria can smell the flowers. She can feel. So she knows that it's a beautiful spring day. What does Maria want to write? Maria wants to write a book about her feeling and experience. Okay. Why does she want to set up a school? She wants to set up a school because she wants to teach the visually impaired children. Or you can write in this way, Maria wants to set up a school to teach the visually impaired children. What does her teacher say about her? Her teacher says that she is a good learner. She is a good learner. Students, before answering the questions, you have to find out in which tense the question is made. If it is in be verb, you have to answer the question in be verb. If it is in does or do, you have to answer the question in present indefinite tense. And if there is does, you have to put s or es to the verb. Okay. Or if the question is with did, you have to write the answer in past indefinite tense. So became will be became. Okay. So student, in this way you practice this question and you must write the answer on your copy. When we meet, I will check your copy. Till then, Allah Hafiz.